Hi there guys, and welcome to this video on exactly how to place trades on MetaTrader 4 using the Telegram signals that we send out. So if you're new to this and you've not set up your broker just yet, what you're going to want to do is go back to the person who's referred you this to make sure that you can get the link. Alternatively, if you've just found this by searching and come across me randomly, you can click the link in the description. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the App Store. We're going to download MetaTrader 4. And you want to make sure that it's MetaTrader 4, not MetaTrader 5, as we do have a copier service as well. And I just want you guys to remember that everything that we say on these calls, these recordings, are not financial advice. You know, we're not financial advisors. We're just doing this as something that we're passionate about and that we enjoy. So you want to click on open. And what's going to happen straight away here is you're going to come to the quotes section as you see in the bottom left. So we're going to see quotes, chart, trade, history. In the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to want to click on quotes, and then in the top left, click on the little edit button. We're going to first of all just delete all of these off because these aren't currency pairs that we typically trade apart from XAU USD. Once you're here, you're going to click on advanced, as you're going to be able to see that there now. And to add currency pairs in the top right-hand corner, you're going to want to click on the little plus. But before we do this, you're going to want to make sure that you've connected your account. So in the settings corner, in the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to click on new account. Once you're here, you're going to click on log into an existing account. And then where it says server at the top, we're going to type in the broker. And you're going to find the server that they recommend. So let's say it's Live 18 or International Live 18. We'll find that, we'll click on it here, and then it's going to give you the login and the password. This is going to be something that you'll have received via email. You'll have everything on your email if you've set it up correctly. If you've got any issues or you struggle, just reach out to me and let me know. But once that's done, we're going to come back to the quotes section here. You've deleted everything off, and then in the top right hand corner, we're going to click in and add the currency pairs that we typically trade. So in our Telegram community, you know, we typically trade certain currency pairs, but we've created a very simple step-by-step PDF for you. If you want that, drop me a message on Instagram, Facebook with the word PDF, and we'll get that sent straight over to you, no problem. This just helps you with a very simple way to get everything rocking and rolling. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you how to place a trade. So we typically trade gold like 95% of the time, so we'll leave this one open. But if you didn't, we can click in the plus corner, top right hand side, click on here and just add whatever currency pairs you want by clicking the little green arrow. So now once you click into XAU USD, we'll click there and you'll see it'll give you the option for trade, chart and details. If you want to see how it looks, you click on chart. This is the analysis now. We've hit all-time highs today on gold. But let's say, for example, you know, we'll just show you how to do it. So if you're in the chart section, top right hand corner, it says trade. But if you're on this page, we'd come back, click on XAU USD, click on trade, and it'll take us through to this section here. So you'll see the currency pair at the top. You'll see market execution, buy, sell, stop loss, take profit. We only ever trade with parameters. We only ever put stop losses in there and take profits in there because for us, it's about account preservation and not just home runs where we can try and make you the most money. So here where it says 1.00, for every £100 you have in your account, this is our recommendation is you use 0.01. So if I was to press buy right now, that will place me a trade. And every move of that will be 10 pence, right? Coming in again, and if we was to do it again on XAU USD, but this time it was a 0.10 and we press buy. This one is now £1 per move. You see how the difference is straight away there? And then again, XAU USD, we click on trade and let's just change that to 1.00, press buy. And I want to just show you this while we're doing it, just so you've got live eyes on. The next one here at 10.00 is £10 per move. So you can see the difference there on how people with larger accounts can make more money in the financial markets. But you have to remember that with, you know, the greater reward also comes greater risk. That's why we're huge on stop losses and take profits. And just showing you the Telegram community here, you know, let's go back to the trade we sent out today. You know, we were looking for buy confirmation on gold at 2509. We had the take profits in place, so we hit TP2 today on this. We had the stop loss in place, 25 pips in profit, 50 pips, 100 pips, so on and so on. And you know, we've got our guys in here making incredible money results, testimonials coming through left, right and center into the community, which is absolutely fantastic to see. So if we're on here right now, obviously we're into the section here. All of these will already have stop losses in them if you put the parameters in the right place. But when you do that, all you want to do is just come to here and you put your stop loss in. For example, it was 0.8 today, and your stop take profit might have been 2,530, and then you press buy or you press sell. So every single time we place a trade, you can see that these are now moving into profit. So let's say on this one here that you can see in the middle, that's the 1.00. If we want to close this, we just simply hold this down and we click on close. If you want to take partial profits, just for example, let's say I want to take half of this profit, where it says 1.00, we change this to 0.5. And you can see here, it's now going to take half of the profit. What this will allow you to do is leave the rest of that trade running whilst we've cashed in some profit. So in that couple of minutes there, we've made £5.38, and we've still got some running. Obviously this is nice to show while I'm doing this demo, but if you wanted to close all of these right now, again, you click it down, you click on close, and you just be like, boom, profit done. And again, if you wanted this one to keep running and you want to take half of the profits, we'd just change that there to 5.00, and we allow that to keep running. So right now, within that few minutes there, we've banked £166. Obviously this is a demo account, so this, you know, obviously would depend on your account size. We've still got some running here, and you know, you've got the quotes section there, you've got the chart. On the chart here, you can see where it says buy on the left hand side. If we go into here just real quick and we put the stop loss on that as 2.0, you'll be able to see on the chart section the stop loss that was added on there. So everything's very visual, and for the goal with this, guys, is to help you, you know, be able to make money whilst you're at work, whilst you're doing your full-time job, whilst you're spending time with the family. So for any of you here right now that are struggling and you want to get access to the PDF, you know, make sure you do so. If you are wanting to go a little bit more in depth, make sure you head over to my YouTube and look at the Forex Basics Introduction to Trading. This, obviously, my name is Bradley Marchant. Go watch that, give it a little view. And if any of you get stuck on how to set up your account, how to set up your trades, you don't know how to place trades, everything is covered on there. I talk about lots, I talk about stop losses, I talk about risk management, everything like that that you need to know when it comes to trading on the financial markets. So I hope that helped, and just showing you how simple it is there to place the trades that get sent out with some social validation as well. So any more questions, don't forget to reach out. If you're here, you've watched this to the end, I really appreciate you taking the time to listen to this. Make sure you like, make sure you drop me a comment, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.